Hey, what's going on YouTube? So I'm going to show you a really cool way how you can earn money using your phone, but I'm going to share with you on the computer because I have to do it on the screen so that way you're able to see it. Now, if you look at this website right here, this website basically has a lot of different e-commerce style website. What does that mean? This means that there's going to be a lot of people going to that particular website. And if I use this little tool that I always mention in my YouTube channel, and on my videos, that you can use this tool to see how much people are visiting this actual website, right? So this website is called Zazzle.com, and don't just run over there just yet. Stick with me because I want to go through and explain things a little bit clearer. As you can see, you can use it on the Google and also on the App Store, but I'm going to go into more details on that. I'm going to show you how you can use it with your phone. In the e-commerce and shopping, they're ranked over 20. So that's 20 in the US alone. And in the United States, sorry. So in the category, there are 20 in the e-commerce category. In the US, that's 749 out of a lot of different websites. Now, why you want to look at these rankings? Because you want to see how much traffic this particular website is bringing in. And as you can see, there's a total visit of 17.01 million people. That's a lot of people. That's how you can make money using your phone. And I'm going to show you exactly how to set up everything. Now, majority of their traffic is coming from the US, so that means a lot of people from the US is going on this website and they're shopping. Now you got 1.3% that's from the Dominican Republic. You have Canada, you have the UK, and also you got India. But there's a little slight decline in India. You could get more countries if you decide on upgrading using SimilarWeb, but you don't need all that. Why people are searching, right? Because this particular website is it's kind of like a search engine. People always trying to search, and once they search, your products that you're going to promote is going to pop up. How are you going to do that? The first thing you want to do, you want to go over to this website, and it's called Zazzle.com. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, make sure you like, subscribe, become a part of the family. If you like videos like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel. So Zazzle.com, what you want to do, you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom down here. And as I said, if you got a phone, you have an Android, or you have an Apple, just go straight to it. You can click on it. You can install it. So far, there's over 8,000 reviews, and it's a 4-star. That ain't bad. It's like, so yeah, almost 4 stars. So it's a 3.9. So people are leaving different reviews. Of course, you're always going to have good reviews. You're going to have bad reviews. It's just like anything else. So if you're Apple, likewise, do the same thing. Click on the Apple. Go over to Apple. Let's see. You could just download the app. So you're going to design cards and you're going to design gifts. So it's like shops where you can design t-shirts. You can design mugs. You can design. And look at this. On the Apple Store, there's 4.6. So if you have an iPhone, you got a better usage on the iPhone. Not sure why. I didn't make the company. You can go square that out with them. So once you come over here, you can create a free account. So once you create a free account and you click on the account. Now this is a brand new account that I've created because I want to just share with you exactly how this thing works, right? So in the account, you could see on the left hand side, you have trends, you got my stuff. My stuff is like, if you want to create, right? You want to create a new design. So if you want to create something, you just click on this. Once you click on start a new design, it's going to bring you exactly how you're going to start designing. Now, once you start designing, whether it's going to be t-shirts, whether it's going to be mugs, whether it's going to be a baseball cap, whether it's going to be a water bottle, whether it's going to be a pillowcases, pillow sheet, blankets, towels, so many different things. So for the sake of the video, let me click on this one. All right, so if you click on this one, you can make the heart a little bigger if you want. All right, you can move it around here. You can change the text as well. You could say happily ever after. All right, let me click on that. So you can change the size by going over here, of course. We'll put that at 30 because we don't want to make it too big. All right, happily ever after. Happily ever after. That's pretty cool. Together. We're together. You can put different designs, you could change it. And then once you do that, over here on the right side, you could download it. Right here on this little tab, you could download it. Now, what if you're not so creative and you want to come up with different things? You can find some different text on the left-hand side here, right? Different text. You can find icons, elements. You can find icons. You could change different backgrounds. You can upload your own image if you wish to do so as well. Now, let's say you want to go over here. You can go to canva.com. And why you want to use canva.com? Because canva.com can give you a lot of pre-done, pre-ready-made stuff that you can use. You don't have to be a guru creating designs or be Adobe Pro or a graphic designer and all that. No, you don't. You just come on over here. You can go to the templates. You can look at cards. If you want, if you're going to create cards, you could do worksheets. You could do menus. You could do t-shirts. There you go. Personalized. So let's click on the t-shirts. So we click on t-shirts. You will see, look at this. There's like different designs already. Halloween is coming up. Christmas is coming up. All the big major holidays, New Year's. You also got Valentine's Day. So you could figure out exactly what. So here you could see where it says college life, right? You could change this. You could change college life, change it to whatever you want, customize it. You don't have to get creative. You could put, let's say you want to do like the entrepreneurial journey, right? Let's say you want to create something for the entrepreneurs, okay? So we're gonna go boom. We start designing, okay? So now what we're going to be doing is we could change this. All right, a double click. We could change this and we could put right here, jobless. And we could just copy this, put it here, paste it, put it here, paste it, jobless. So you get the idea. Look at that. And these are some simple little shirts that you can create. You don't have to get, fancy dancy, because the less effort that you put into it, the better it's going to be. So you can create this over and over again. And once you do that, again, you're going to go back to Zazzle. You're going to use your phone and you're going to upload from your phone, as you can see right here. Upload from your phone, upload the image. Once you create it, you can see, you click on the download, you could go over here, you could invite friends and all that kind of stuff as well, which is pretty cool. So you could just upload it from your phone, just design everything. And then what's gonna happen is, every time that somebody buys something, this is gonna change. This is gonna change over time. You're gonna see money start rolling in consistently over and over again. And you will see like the pending transaction, you will see like pending bonus, how much money, what is cleared, and all that. So make sure you do that. And associates, meaning that if you want to invite people, you can earn a nice sweet commission, a 15% commission every time that somebody signs up through your affiliate stuff, that you can make money doing so. And likewise, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to enroll right now, and I'm just going to copy this link, and I'm going to post this link right into my description. So if you want to sign up through my affiliate link, hey, listen, I appreciate you. I really would appreciate it. So you just sign up using my affiliate link. I'm going to put it in there so you can get started. So right now, go sign up. It is absolutely a website that is free. So it is free, right? You can create wedding stuff. You can create postcards. You can do home decor. You could do birthdays. So just get creative. Start putting these things together. Once you start doing that, the money is going to start rolling in because people are going to search on Google and they're going to find yours, so you don't have to worry about traffic, right? Try it out, test it out. That's how you can earn money from your phone using this method that I just shared with you. If you like, subscribe to this YouTube channel. I appreciate it. Thank you so much and be blessed.